Hi everyone, if the brightness control on your Acer Aspire 3 laptop is not working, it could be due to several factors including driver issues, settings or hardware problems. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you fix the problem. Fix 1. Check the keyboard brightness keys. Acer laptop usually have dedicated function keys for controlling brightness. These are often located on the F3 or F4 keys represented by an icon with a plus or a minus sign for increasing or decreasing brightness. Press and hold the F3 key for decreasing brightness and F4 key for increasing the brightness. Here is the tip. Ensure that you are not using any external keyboard or a device that might conflict with these shortcuts. Fix 2. Update display drivers. Outdated or corrupted display drivers are common cause of brightness control issues. Follow these steps to update your display driver. Right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. Expand the Display Adapters section. Right-click your display adapter, example Intel HD Graphics, etc. and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for update driver software. If an update is available, it will automatically install, then restart your laptop if necessary. Fix 3. Reinstall display drivers. If updating the driver doesn't work, you can try reinstalling them. In Device Manager, right-click your display adapter and select Uninstall device. After uninstalling, restart your laptop. Windows will automatically reinstall the required drivers. Fix 4. Adjust brightness using Windows settings. You can adjust the brightness from the Windows settings. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings. Go to System, then go to Display. Scroll down to the Brightness and Color section and use the slider to adjust the brightness. Here is the note for you. If the brightness slider is unavailable or grayed out, it may indicate a driver issue or setting conflicts. Fix 5. Update Windows. It's always a good idea to make sure your system is up to date with the latest Windows update, as they can include important fixes and update for drivers and hardware compatibility. Open Settings, then go to Update and Security, then tap on Windows Update, click Check for Update and install any available update. Fix 6. Enable adaptive brightness if disabled. Adaptive brightness adjusts the screen brightness based on the ambient light. If it's turned off, you might not be control over brightness. Open Control Panel, go to Hardware and Sound, then go to Power option. Click Change Plan Setting next to your current power plan. Select Change Advanced Power Settings. Find Display, then go to Enable Adaptive Brightness and make sure it's turned on for both battery and plugged in. Here is the note: if this option isn't available, it could be due to a driver issue. Fix 7. Perform a system restore. If the problem started recently, if the brightness control stopped working after recent update or system change, you can try restoring your system to a previous point when it was working properly. Type System Restore in the Windows search bar and select Create a Restore Point. Under System Properties, click on the System Restore button. Follow these instructions to restore your system to a previous state. Fix 9. Check for hardware issues. If none of the above method work, there might be a hardware issue with the brightness control mechanism like the backlight or the display adapter. In such cases, you may need to contact Acer support or visit a repair center.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.